All right, so today we're going to change the drive shaft hypoid oil. The book calls for 80 weight, but today we're going to use Mobil one, 7590. The tools that you need will be nothing more than a 17 millimeter socket or a wrench. This will be the torque wrench we'll use. All right, let's get started. All right. It's always best to clean your bike first. Go to the car wash and get some degreaser so everything looks nice and clean. And that way you'll have a nice clean job when you're done. And we'll drain it. We'll get this both loosed. So what we'll do is we'll take the top one off first. That is the really easy to do. Whoops. Boy, that's coming out dirty after 13,000 miles. Look at that. Kind of surprised it's coming out that dirty. We'll be changing this every other oil change from this point on. We got the normal goop on there. We'll clean that off. All right. It's been draining for about 3 minutes. That will do. We'll kind of turn it a little bit and see if anything comes out. This is what it looks like inside your drive shaft. Looks pretty clean. Then we'll just go ahead and clean off this drain plug. There's just a little bit of goo in there. Not like it has any metal in there. Here's our new crush washer. And let's see that torque wrench. And we're going to, you can actually snug it up. There we go. Yep. Oh, that's okay. And just squirt it in there. Could be hot. And we're going to let it settle, because I like it to drip out a little bit.
We're there.
Well, let it run in there a little more. While it's settling up in there, let's clean our... I am going to reuse the seal, put a new one on it in 10,000 miles. All right, so here we go. We're just going to squirt a little more in there. And while it's running out a little bit, go and cover it up. Okay, almost there. And that was not even, what, 5 minutes, John? That was easy. Everything looks brand new and clean. Well, that's it. Now we're going to go for a ride.